Hello guys, today I'm going to show you exactly how to add your American airline ticket to your Apple Wallet. It's quick and simple process, so make sure to watch until the end to ensure you didn't miss any important steps. The first thing you need to do is open the American Airlines app on your phone. Once the app is open, you should be on your home page. At the bottom, you will see three options, that is flight status, find trip and book flights. Swipe up to reveal more options on the screen. Now, once you have expanded the menu, select either flight status or find trips to locate the flight you are about to board. Once you have found your flight, click on it to open your boarding pass. Now, when you open the boarding pass, you will see a QR code. Just below it, there will be a button that says Add to Apple Wallet. Click that button and your ticket is now successfully added to your Apple Wallet. You will have the QR code ready to scan when it's time to board. This is especially handy when you are in a rush or need quick access to your boarding pass. Adding your American Airlines ticket to your Apple Wallet is super convenient and helps you save time when boarding. No more searching through apps to find your ticket at the last minute. If this video helped you, please leave a comment down below and don't forget to like. Thanks for watching.